Hi, so this is the fourth video. Unfortunately, the Moto 3 was a disaster. In the sound quality was very bad on the video. So you have to listen with some earphones in. Then you can hear it. Or I'm kind of deaf, one of the two. But anyway, no, you have to use some earphones in there. So I've improved the filter because the concern in the last video was noise on the system. It is noise, so I've improved this EWMA filter. This filter over here, this function over here. So there's improvement over there, and it now looks like this. So there you can see it. So this is the data measured in the processor, and there's previous version of that filter. So you can see there's drastically improved. I've had to, mind you, I've had to measure like 10,000 times 60,000 samples. So yeah, okay. But bearing in mind this is 4 million sample per second ATD, so it's still a little bit in comparison. So I've done that, and so there's the stator resistance, and now I've got the inductance as well, and I've got a value here of 2.6 henries, which doesn't seem right, to be honest. It seems a bit high. I know 48 ohms is or 48 ohms is correct because I've measured that with a meter, and I now know that small motors do actually have a high stator resistance, but the inductance, I don't know about that. But now we need to have a crack at IM, and as soon as we get the magnetizing current, so this is the current responsible for setting up the field in the induction motor. As soon as we have that, then we can calculate all the other values in conjunction with the nominal values from the motor nameplate. And if I can do that, that means I have a static test. So in other words, I haven't rotated the motor to get any of the parameters. As far as the accuracy of the parameters goes, well, yeah, that's a little bit problematic at the moment because I don't have the correct test equipment around me. Yeah. So, but anyway, even if the values are not completely accurate, because as the motor runs, these values are continuously updated, because the motor is not a linear machine. So torque is not linear in the motor. It's linear in a region. When you're talking small slip differences, it's linear in that region. But all these other values are not linear. So we need to get IM, and then so it's actually quite, I'm quite chuffed that this thing is moving in the right direction. So I want to crack on. So thanks for listening, and have a nice Christmas, New Year, and hopefully this COVID is gone in the next year, and it stays gone, I hope. Touch wood. But anyway, cheers, bye.